This video is here to show you how to add or edit an article on the 4th Bedworth Scout website. We're going to start as ever by logging in at the bottom of the main menu. I'm going to enter my details. Once you're logged in, if you are a user with author rights or above, you can submit your own article using the menu item here. It's very easy. I'm just going to add a title. This is what shows up at the top of the page, e.g. submit an article on this page. I'm going to add some text. Nothing very fancy here, it's just an example. What I'm also going to show you is how to add a few useful features to your articles. So, common on the internet, of course, are links. I'm going to edit a couple of words here to make them appear as a link. So I'm going to copy this web address, which is where I want to link to. I'm going to select a couple of words, and there's a little insert edit link button here. Click on that. Up pops another window. In the link URL box you put the address of where you want the link to go, and then you click insert, and now you can see the text has gone blue. And once I've saved the article, this is going to be a link I can click on. What other kind of things do you want to do here? Well, you may want to put in, for example, a header later on, something to differentiate different parts of the text. This is a slightly larger text. You can make text bold. Everything you would expect in a word processor is here. If we scroll down the page a little bit, we've got buttons for inserting images. So let's put in a sample image. Images uploaded to the website should be small because they have to be able to display on a screen, so they should be less than 600 pixels wide, and they have to be less than 2 megabytes in order to upload them. So I'm going to find one on my computer that is, let's see where we got that one loop. So I've chosen the picture. I'm going to give it a quick description, and I'm going to use the same words for the image title. The image title and the image description are essentially the same, but they're used by different software to display to users if the picture doesn't work. For example, the image description is often displayed if pictures are disabled in a web browser. The image title is often used by screen reader software that will read websites out to blind people. So we have to choose somewhere where we want to put our picture. I'm just going to leave it in the root folder because it's a test picture I'm going to delete, but you could put it in the Scouts or the Explorers or anywhere that's relevant. Click Start Upload. The upload is complete. I've done it in slightly the wrong order here, which I apologise. Type in my description again and my title, and then click Insert. There's my picture ready in my article. What other kind of things are people likely to want in an article? They may want a table, for example. We have a button here for inserting tables. Here it is. window will pop up. You can say how many columns or rows you want. This is a simple 2-row, 2-column table, and now you have 4 little boxes that when you type in them they will expand automatically to fit what you have to go in there. One other thing that may be useful is this read more link. When you submit an article, if it's a very long article, you don't want it all to show up on the main page. What you'd want is you want a first paragraph or so, and then you want it to break, and this will be the point at which it breaks, and it will give you a little read more link that will take you to the full article. So there we've got an article with some text, a link, picture, and all we have to do now is choose where we want it to go. In this case I'm going to put it scouts, about our scout troop. I'm going to delete it as soon as I've done it, so it's not a problem. We can choose whether we want it to be shown on the front page or not. We can choose when we want it to start publishing. The default is of course now, and if you want to finish publishing it, and that's pretty much it. You can add some keywords or metadata at the bottom, but search engines are very good now and they don't tend to need them. All you need to do now is click save, wait for the site to register. Now it's been uploaded. So if I go to the Scouts section, here is our test article already there. Click it. See, we've got the read more link here. This is the full article. If I want to edit this at any point in the future, it's just like editing any other article. I can click the little edit article icon and it will take me straight back to the editor we've just come from, and I can correct text, add things, and when I'm finished, save. And the article's been saved, and that's all there is to it.